Hi there. This business that I'm about to show you went from 21 calls in 1 month to 120 calls per month. So actually, I'm right now in the Run Tracker, which is our tool or software, right? Here is where you can find tools like the CTR booster and the map check-ins, big deal, and of course our Run Tracker. And the business I'm talking about is CDC Detailing. They are based in New Jersey, and it's extremely competitive. Actually, this niche has something very particular, and is that one of the first or most accessible businesses to start for small entrepreneurs is cleaning companies and car detailing companies, because you need relatively very low budget to start, and that's why it's been really competitive, and it's been sold by many business gurus out there like Cody Sanchez and others that buy boring businesses and turn them into automated cash machines, basically. So they're talking about laundries, they're talking about car detailing, cleaning companies, and so on. So this one in particular in New Jersey, it's very competitive. There are many car related small businesses in the area, and what I want to show you is the progress we've been having with CDC Detailing. And we're gonna show the maps. We're gonna show as well. I am going to show how to navigate through the tool as well, and the very cool things you can do within the Run Tracker, the map ranking software. And also, I'm gonna show you another thing: how well he's using the map check-ins. And that's probably, we're talking about all organic. There's no paid ads in this case, okay? And by the way, he's coming out of the winter, and because he's a mobile detailing, it's kind of complicated for him. There's not a lot of work in that season. So right now, he's starting to get into the peak season for his business, right? So I'm gonna view this keyword. Oh, back here, this is the business portal. And here we have the different keywords, right? Ceramic coating near me, auto detailing near me, window tinting near me, car wash near me, mobile car detailing near me, and that's it. Those are the ones we're tracking. So let me show you ceramic coating near me, which is a big deal, high ticket service within the car detailing. And what I'm gonna do, so if I hover here, I'm gonna see the timeline with all the check-ins we've done before, and you can see some details like the size of the check-in, which is this matrix of points here, the grid or the heat map, either way is the same. So we can see 13 by 13 with 5 miles radius. It's very dense, and as you can see, we've been increasing the miles radius because it's been dominating in the smaller areas. So we're increasing the radius, okay? And you can see the average ranking here and the date here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna compare the before and after. I'm gonna compare the two different grids. So this one is December 10th. So it's been a while, right, when he started with us, but he was actually kind of in pause during the winter. But we can see that actually this grid here is bigger than this grid, which means that the average ranking here, which is the average of every single point here, right? The number divided by the number of points. We can see that it has improved. So the average ranking has decreased 4.4 points. So back in the time, it was in 10.5. Right now, it's in 6.1. And the market share, and this is a very interesting one, went from 35% to 62%. And the map pack, which is the number of points or the density or the percentage of points that are in the top 3, went from 13% to 41.4%. And mind, this is a larger area, which means it's really it's impressive. All these double digits here, they turn into single digits, and it's been an incredible progress. And you can see in the center how it's expanding liter by liter. This is not over the water. I mean, the map is not over the water. This is New Jersey, is city and population. This is not over the desert, right? This is actual a very dense population. So this is a big deal. So I wanted to show you this comparison, and this is another cool feature within the rank tracker that you can compare yourself with your previous version, right? So you can see it here, and actually you could navigate, you could change the months here, and you could actually compare better. Okay, let me go back to the first scan, because this is another cool thing, and I'm going to select, let's say here, this. We were in number 8 in this area, right? And we can see the list of competitors that in this specific point they show up before you do, right? So if I stand in this point and I search for ceramic coating near me, this is what the user is going to see in their phone. They're going to see this in the map pack, okay, in the Google Maps results, right? So we can see that Rev 8 Auto was on top, Wax Works Detailing, Mars Mobile Detailing, JJ Auto Detailing, Matt's Automotive Detailing, P Protection LLC. When I hover over their business, that number that shows up here is their address, their physical address, which is really, really cool and useful as well, because proximity, how close you are to this point, is really, really important for Google, right? It's really important for the ranking. So he's really, really way closer than CDC Detailing to that specific point. But now we're going to see this one, and we see that we outranked Wax Works Detailing, Mars Mobile, we saw it as well, and we see these two over us, right? And we see they are both in area, they're both closer to that point, which makes sense. So pretty cool. You can actually share this as a report, right? In a link, as a link, you can share this, and you can even share it in your social media. And once you get into that link, you can actually navigate through the other keywords here, okay? So pretty cool, very cool feature. And I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna check another keyword. Here we have another example. If we take just a peek, an overlook in this general information, in this timeline, so we can see that the first scan, which was 13 by 13 with 5 miles, this is a pretty big area. That means that from here, which is the center of the business, to this point, 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 there are 5 miles. Just think about how you move around yourself to go for groceries or to go for a service, a particular service. Do you drive 5 miles usually from where you are? So most likely you don't really drive that much, unless it's something very specific and very particular. If you have another option which is closer, or because you like it and you're connected to the brand, of course. But if you have another option, very, very similar or the same option, so you go to something closer, okay? So in this case, he does a lot of mobile, which is really important, right? But I wanted to show you that. So we see an improvement in the average ranking from 9.9 to 6.6. So we're gonna do a really quick comparison here. Once again, that's why we have this message or warning here saying that the two maps, they have a different size. I think the only tool in the market, the only rank tracker that will actually tell you, hey, you know what, the comparison, you have to consider that these two grids are in different sizes. So that's pretty cool as well. So we can see that improved 18% market share, the average ranking improved 3.3 points, and the map pack improved 10.6%. That's a huge deal. That's a big deal. He's basically dominating all this area. The other thing I wanted to show you is how well this business is using the map checking. So I'm going to go to the map check-ins tab, and I'm going to click on locations, and I'm going to look for CDC Detailing. Click on manage, and here we have the chat widget. We can see that in the website 145 check-ins have been posted in the website. This is a big deal, by the way. Each check-in has schema. Schema is a code that Google AI and ChatGPT and all the AI agents, they read to have a clear and easier, better interpretation of your website. They also read the content, but in the schema is a code where you pinpoint the most important things of that page in specific, and our website widget has a schema, which is a big deal for AI nowadays. So map check-ins is actually a tool that will make the difference in the AI search results. 45 of them has been posted in the Google Business Profile, 20 check-ins in Facebook, and 20 check-ins on Instagram. So we are posting in these 4 platforms at the same time with the right format and the right structure. So if I zoom out, we're gonna see this guy is doing a great job creating check-ins all over the place. By the way, the best widget, hands down, the most beautiful widget, the most interactive widget in the market is our widget, is map check-ins widget. So actually, if you have multiple locations, you could even filter those locations up here. And if you click on the pins, you can see the pictures and the description that the map check-in has. We can see the main category of this check-in in particular and the description here, and it's all automatic. You take your phone, you take a picture, you select that category for the service you're paying there, and then you upload it. You can even write that description with AI, or you write it yourself. And when you just click, you can even schedule it, or when you click share, it's going to be shared in all these platforms with the right format. So I wanted to show you that this guy's been using check-in really well. These are all signals, geolocated signals right here. I'm gonna click here. This check-in, and look, you can put the logo as well. This widget, this is what you're gonna show in your website. Actually, I'm gonna show you here. Okay, this one. I'm gonna edit the widget. This is the best of the best. This is state-of-the-art widget in the market. It's so like customizable. You can custom this widget as much as you want. You can do a pin, you can do a star, you can do a flag, you can do custom, and you can do your own logo. You can do a lot of things. You can say, hey, underneath, I want only 1 check-in, or I want 3, or I want 4, or I want 5. I want you to show it exactly like this, like a carousel, or I want only 1, right? Or I want them static, and I want the description down here, or I want the name and the category on the top. It's so customizable that is crazy, honestly. So if I click here, this here, in this point, with this check-in, it's saying, hey Google, hey AI, I am the expert. I pay the services in this area, is geolocated. Here is the content. Here is what I did, auto detailing, and here is some description of it. And this is, guys, honestly, this is stronger than a review and way easier to get. So just imagine you have 3 or 4 people out there executing the job, and they are creating check-ins for you every single day, 3, 4, 10 check-ins every single day. You're also forcing Google to check your website, to go and crawl is the technical term, to go and crawl and check your website every single time you do these kind of changes. So it's recognizing that you're doing that job, that you're doing it in that area, and that you are the expert in that specific service. These kind of signals are amazing. As I told you, stronger than a review, way easier to get. It doesn't mean that if you have map check-ins, you don't need reviews. Actually, the better your Google Business Profile is optimized, the better map check-in works. So if you have a strong, solid SEO, map check-ins is gonna work much, much better. One thing I wanted to show here is results. I'm gonna go to CDC Detailing Google Business Profile, and I'm gonna go to performance. And this is all live, so you can see how good the performance is been going. For example, calls from 58 calls to 120 calls in a single month. You see the graph. You see the graph that speaks louder. Get directions. You can see also how consistent they are. Website clicks, you can see also how consistent they are. But the most important thing is the phone calls. Okay, this is organic. These are not Google ads or other kind of paid campaigns. So this is organic. People searching for car detailing or mobile detailing, or I want to wash my car nowadays that we're using AI a lot. Whether it's AI or directly in Google, they're finding this business and they're clicking on the business because he's in the top 3 of the map pack. So that's another thing I wanted to show you, like real results. The rest is just the reason why this guy is having organically 120 calls in his Google business profile. He's not spending in ads. He's not spending thousands of dollars trying to advertise his business. That's just a plus, and it's really good, and maybe your business needs it. But once you dominate organically and people recognize your brand and people start even searching for your brand, for your business, that makes the difference, and that makes the acquisition of new customers really, really cheap. In this case, I really wanted to show this CDC Detailing Charles because he is that kind of business owner that is quite an entrepreneur, but he is actually executing whatever we say we should do, right? So if we say, hey, use the map check-in, create the check-ins this way, he's doing it. Hey, we actually need to implement this. He's doing it. We need more reviews. This is the best way you can get reviews. He's doing it. It's amazing. We're really, really happy. And every time a business owner comes to us and they execute their part in our roadmap, in our plan, so we are going to do our job, right? But there's certain things that you have to do on your side. And honestly, every time we do it, it works. It's a rule. It's a natural law. Every time we suggest we should do this, we should do that, create check-ins, get reviews, give us some new material, we need new offers. Can you match this competitor offer, which is offering 20% on spring sale, whatever, and people get involved and they do their part? Way more often than not, 90% of the times we get results. And we have proof of that. And CDC Detailing is one of the best examples for that. And actually, we have a pretty good video testimonial from this customer, and we're gonna play it at the end of this video. Thank you very much.
Ever since I began with them, I had seen an increase in leads from the website, from text messages. I'm also received an increase in calls, overall better traffic coming through to the website. So I could definitely tell a difference so far. I hope things keep up and only get better.